Understanding Financial Statements, a guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for both personal and business financial literacy, financial statements. Understanding these documents is crucial whether you're managing a business, investing in the stock market, or just trying to get a clearer picture of your financial health. We'll break down what financial statements are, why they're important, and how you can interpret them. So, let's get started. Financial statements are formal records of the financial activities and condition of a business, person, or other entity. They provide an overview of a company's financial performance and position at a given point in time. Primarily, there are three key types. 1. The balance sheet. It shows what a company owns, its assets, what it owes, its liabilities, and its net worth, equity, at a specific point in time. 2. The income statement, profit and loss statement. This reveals the company's revenues, expenses, and profits or losses over a specific period. 3. The cash flow statement. It provides a summary of the cash inflows and outflows from the company's operating, investing, and financing activities over a period. Financial statements are vital for several reasons. For owners and managers, they use financial statements to make important decisions regarding the operation and direction of the business. For investors and creditors, these documents help investors and creditors assess the company's financial health and determine its creditworthiness. Regulatory compliance. Businesses are often required by law to maintain accurate financial records and present them in financial statements. Reading financial statements might seem daunting at first, but here are some tips to get you started. Understand the components. Familiarize yourself with the key components of each financial statement and what they represent. Look for trends. Analyze the statements over multiple periods to identify trends in revenue, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Ratios and analysis. Learn some basic financial ratios and calculations that can help you assess liquidity, solvency, profitability, and efficiency. That wraps up our overview of financial statements. Remember, being able to understand these documents is a powerful skill that can help you make informed financial decisions. Whether you're running a business, investing, or just planning your personal finances, a solid grasp of financial statements is invaluable. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and made it a bit more approachable. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.